Hello everyone, Namaskar. I am Manoranjan Parida, founder of Let's Learn M for Math. Today I am here to announcing I will be opening my tutorial for you to overcome the fear of math of your children. It will be start of this educational year 2023 and 24. That means from first week of March. Here we focus on two subjects, that is math and science. Along with we also provide very precious and ancient knowledge of Vedic math. I am a trained Vedic math teacher by Guinness World Recordist Dhaval Bhatia. It will be speed up your children's learning process. We make all of these subjects very interactive and interesting. Uh, all these classes are offline classes. Don't worry about if any pandemic will be happen in future. We have all the facilities and all the infrastructure to provide online classes also. I gave you this opportunity to grab it before starting this educational year. It will be a true gift for your children's bright future. So this is my Let's Learn Info Math. A promise to give you more. It is my promise. So I must you give if you join me and you feel that. And we also have some features. All these are the features we focusing. The last two is most important. We focus on the core concept and its application. It is very precious. No one can work on this now. So our lecture always based on and will be based on what, why, and how. And this is my contact number. You may contact me for admission. These are the two numbers. So my institution is very close to St. Xavier High School, Gopo Kendrapada. So please contact me in this two numbers, 9668 and another is 7008 729. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you support me, and your support make me very graciousful, and I always try to eradicate the blindness of ignorance. Thank you so much. Once again, it is my request to please, if you interest, please contact me before the starting of educational year. That means मार्च से हमारा शुरू हो जाएगा. सो मार्च से पहले इफ यू कॉन्टैक्ट देन इट विल बी very good for me. So thank you so much. Bye bye.